everyone, my name is Jenny and this is my friend
Widi
and Tari. So today we will show you how to make Regal milk drink. Let's go!
The ingredients are Bread Bargain, chocolatos, Regal, and milk. And then roast up, spoon, and cup.
First, prepare 1 cup and 1 spoon. Then, smash Regal and put into the cup.
Next, pour milk into the cup. Last, add some chocolatos. And pieces of bird. And Regal milk ready to serve.